Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get advanced oxygen gear. Advanced oxygen gear refers to specialized systems designed to deliver supplemental oxygen, often in situations where ambient air is insufficient. This equipment is vital for individuals with respiratory conditions, high-altitude climbers, and professional divers. Understanding the different types and their applications is the first step. We will cover everything from portable concentrators to high-pressure tanks, ensuring you grasp the fundamentals of these life-supporting devices. Let's explore the main types of advanced oxygen gear available. Portable oxygen concentrators are popular for their convenience, weighing as little as 5 pounds and providing continuous flow or pulse dose oxygen. High-pressure oxygen tanks, made from aluminum or steel, offer a reliable, stored supply, typically holding up to 680 liters of oxygen. For specialized activities like diving, rebreather systems are used, recycling exhaled breath to extend underwater time significantly. Obtaining advanced oxygen gear often begins with a medical consultation. For many devices, especially concentrators and tanks, a doctor's prescription is essential to ensure appropriate use and safety. You can purchase equipment from authorized medical suppliers, both online and in physical stores, ensuring you receive certified devices. Alternatively, renting offers a flexible solution for temporary needs or when traveling, allowing you to access the necessary support without a long-term commitment. Proper maintenance and safety practices are paramount for advanced oxygen gear. Always inspect your equipment regularly for any signs of wear, damage, or leaks, especially connections and tubing. Oxygen tanks should be stored upright in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, open flames, and any heat sources. Crucially, always adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines for operation, cleaning, and servicing to ensure the longevity and safe performance of your oxygen system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.